Welcome to OnSchedule, the smart way to manage shifts, track work hours, and stay connected with your team. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to use both the web dashboard for administrators and the mobile app for workers to streamline your scheduling process. Let's begin with the web dashboard designed for managers and administrators. Visit OnSchedule website and create a new account. We recommend filling out the entire registration form as some of the information is used to enable key features. Once your account is created, you'll start a 2-week free trial. The dashboard is divided into 2 main sections. On the left side, you'll see a calendar where you can create, copy, and delete shifts. When you select a specific day, shift cards will appear below. We'll go deeper into shift management in the next section. On the right side, you'll find the Shift Activity panel, where you can monitor shifts for today, tomorrow, and up to 10 days in the past, all in one view for easy tracking. If you're a security agency, you probably work with multiple clients, each of them with one or more locations, such as a shop, warehouse, production facility, or office. In OnSchedule, you need to create both a location and assign a worker in order to schedule a shift. To begin, go to the Clients page. You'll see 2 sections, My Clients and Client Locations. Let's create a new client. Click the Create Client button and fill out the form with the client's details: name, phone, email, street address, city, state, and zip code. When you're done, click Create. The new client will appear in the table below. You can edit the client anytime by clicking the pencil icon, or delete the record using the trash icon if it's no longer needed. Once the client is created, let's add a location for them. Click Create Location. In the form, the first field is Related Client. Select the client you just created. Then enter the location name and location address. The exact address is very important because the worker will only be able to check in and check out if their geolocation matches the one entered here. So please double-check the accuracy of the address. At the bottom of the form, there's a checkbox labeled Is Active. If this is unchecked, the location will be hidden when creating new shifts. Once the form is complete, click Create. The new location will appear in the Client Locations table, where you can also update or delete it as needed. Now let's build your team by adding workers to your account. To manage your workers, go to the Workers page. Here you'll see 3 sections: Search Worker, Waiting List, and My Workers list. Before you can add anyone, your workers need to download and register in the OnSchedule mobile app. The app is designed specifically for workers and is completely free to use. After registration, each worker will receive a unique GID number, which they can find on their profile page. Ask them to share this number with you. Enter the GID number into the Search Worker section to find and add the worker to your waiting list. Once a worker is added to the waiting list, you'll see their full profile. If the job requires certifications, such as a guard card or firearm license, you'll be able to view and download them here. When you're ready to approve the candidate, click Add to My Workers list. After that, the worker will become available for assignment when creating shifts. If someone leaves your team, you can move them back to the waiting list by selecting Move to Waiting List. And if you no longer need the record, click Delete Worker to remove them entirely. Let's go ahead and move this worker back to My Workers list. Once you've created your locations and added your workers, you're ready to start creating shifts. Go to the dashboard and click the Create Shift button. First, select the location, then choose a worker. Next, set the shift date and shift start time. Note that the start time must match the same date you selected, then choose the shift end time. You can also add a list of duties the worker should follow during the shift. When you're done, click Create. The shift will instantly appear in both the Shift Activity table and the calendar. To understand what each shift status means, simply hover over the tooltip icon. The assigned worker will be notified through the app and will see the shift on their personal calendar. Now let's say you want to create a shift, but leave it open for workers to assign themselves. In this case, you create the shift as usual, but leave the Assigned To field empty and check the Is Available as box. Even if you selected a worker, checking Is Available will automatically clear the assignment. Once the shift is created, all available workers will be notified and will see the shift under their Available tab in the app. If a worker wants to take the shift, they simply tap Take Shift, then confirm. After that, the shift is no longer available to others. It's now assigned to that worker. You'll receive a notification, and the assignment will be reflected in both the shift activity table and the calendar. There may be times when you want to prepare shifts in advance, but don't want them visible to workers yet. This is called a draft shift, an unassigned shift that stays hidden until you're ready to assign it. To create a draft shift, leave the Assigned To field empty and make sure Is Available is unchecked. A helpful hint icon near the form will remind you of this special case. If your team works on a recurring schedule, week after week, you can save time by copying existing shifts instead of creating new ones from scratch. OnSchedule makes this process quick and easy. Simply select one or more existing shifts, then click the Copy button. Next, choose the desired date in the calendar and click Paste. That's it. The system will automatically update the shift dates to match the new calendar day, while keeping all other details, like location, worker, and duties, exactly the same. After pasting, you can make any changes you need, for example, assigning a different worker or adjusting the shift time, then click Save. Here's an important note. If you copy a shift that's in draft or available status, the pasted shifts will keep the same status. If you copy a shift in any other status, such as completed or checked in, it will be pasted as a brand new shift with the scheduled status. To delete a shift, simply select it and click Delete Shift, then confirm the action. OnSchedule gives you powerful reporting tools to help track work hours by client, location, or worker. Show report by worker. For example, if you need to calculate how many hours a worker has completed in the past 2 weeks, simply select a specific location or few locations. Then choose the worker and set the start date and end date for the time range. Click the Create Report button. The table below will display all relevant shifts for that worker, along with full details, including the hours worked column, which shows the difference between the shift's start and end time. Above the table, you'll see the total number of hours worked across all selected shifts. Report by location. Now let's say you want to track total hours worked at a specific location, regardless of who worked there. In that case, select the location, select all workers, set the date range, then click Create Report. You'll now see a full list of shifts at that location, including all assigned workers and their shift details. Sometimes you need to find a new worker for one of your locations, and OnSchedule has a built-in marketplace designed just for that. With a few simple steps, you can create a job post that will be instantly visible to all OnSchedule mobile app users in the area. They'll receive a notification and be able to view the job details right in the app. Best of all, it's completely free, and you can post as many jobs as you like. To get started, go to the Post Jobs page and click the Create Job Post button. Fill out a short form by selecting the location, entering a contact email and phone number, and writing a brief job description. Once you click Create, your job will be published to the marketplace. Interested candidates will see your post on the market page of their app and can apply directly by tapping the Apply button. As soon as someone applies, you'll receive a notification with the candidate's name. You can also open the job post at any time to check if there are new applicants. To review and manage applications, go to your workers page and open the Waiting List tab. Tap on a name to view their details, and if they're a good fit, add them to your workers list with a single click. Thank you for watching this introduction to the OnSchedule. We hope this guide helped you feel more confident using the features we built to support you. Stay safe, stay on time, and stay on schedule.